Hello friends, family. Welcome to Butler Family Farms. This is episode 6 as the bowl turns. And now that the writer's strike is over, we're able to get back into the shop and get the bowl turned as it should be. So the first thing we have to do is we have to remove the pin stock that we had. The pin mandible we had. Get it off here. It's a little cold in the shop today. So we have to keep a jacket on. And then we're going to line up this. Alright. Get that really tight. And then let me move this back. So as in episode 5, we had the resin put on, and I've cut the center, the bevel to put the chuck on it. And so today what we're going to do is we're going to try to turn the inside of this bowl. So we'll move this so we can get into it. Okay, we got the tool rest changed. It moved, and we got the bowl chucked up, and yeah. So what was I saying now? Some of this video will be sped up. It'll be at least 2 times, maybe 4 times faster. So you won't have to sit and watch just a long, drawn out process of cutting it. I'll speed it up so you'll be in between there. There won't be any talking or anything, and I'll add some music so you can have something to see what's going on. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, I got this bowl deeper now. Working on it, keep working on it, keep getting it down. I'm probably about, almost down to the blue there. So that's getting pretty deep there. If you measure like this, you know, kind of eyeballing it. We're pretty getting down there. I see some resin in here too. So the noise, the vibration, we took the bandsaw off. The hair's a lot quieter, but we took the bandsaw off because it was vibrating, and that's what was making all that noise that was on the end down there. And so we got it a lot quieter. But I'll keep turning on a little more, and we'll get back to you after a little bit. All right, we're got the bowl as deep as we're going to take it, and you can look inside here. And this is, it needs sanding. That's what I'm doing now. Is going to do a lot of sanding. And when I get it all sanded up, it'll look like this area right here. It'll be all nice and shiny and stuff. But sanding is what we're going to do. That's a 4 fingers deep, pretty deep. It's pretty deep bowl for for her yarn bowl. I think it's twice what the depth was on her other one. And we will sand it up, and we'll show you the final product. I think I do a little bit of turning on the outside too, but that'll come a little later. Okay, the inside of the bowl is basically done. You want to show the inside? I gotta do some more sanding on it, but I'm not cutting out any more of that. And if I can find a tape measure here. Yeah, tape measure that, son. This is 3 inches deep. Is what the actual depth of this is, and we'll go see what her other bowl is. But I think this one's deeper than the other. But now we're going to go in the house and check her other bowl, see how deep it is. This is her other one, and it's 1 3/4. So we're another 1 1/4 deeper. So hopefully that'll be deep enough. We'll find out. And I'll make some adjustments from that. But this is the end of episode 6. Episode 7 will show me sanding it and finishing it, and also finishing up this outside part of the bowl. Get this back down to the wood, and just a little bit of resin will be on it, so it will just show a hint of it. But I'll get it back to the wood, and so it'll be nice and mostly wood, and then that fiberglass that's there will just be holding that resin wood together. So thank you for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please become a subscriber. If you're going to come back and check this out, you might as well become a subscriber. It's easy. It doesn't cost you nothing. I'll pay for all the subscription fees. But I appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.